going to troubleshoot this morning. There's a check engine light popping up. We'll check. So we're just going to look at these two. Try there, this one. Knock sensor. The original one, or try to delete it. Clear. Now it's clear. I'll try to start again. Working fine. Thank you for watching. This is the original one, so it's not good.